Audi is rounding out the Audi Q8 model range, not only with the new RS Q8 with an output of 441 kilowatts, 600 PS, but is adding a new, second version to the top model in the series, the RS Q8 Performance. Its increased output of 471 kilowatts, 640 PS makes the SUV the most powerful series-produced combustion model in the history of Audi Sport GmbH. Both vehicles boast outstanding driving dynamics thanks to an optimized, self-locking center differential while guaranteeing an equally impressive suitability for everyday use. The exterior of the RS Q8 and RS Q8 Performance take their cues from the recently upgraded Q8. New equipment packages allow more freedom for customization. The new Audi RS Q8 and RS Q8 Performance will be launched in June 2024. Prices start at €141,900 and €155,700. With the new Audi RS Q8 and RS Q8 Performance, Audi Sport GmbH is intensifying its focus on the dynamics of the two high-performance SUVs. A new front apron with striking air intakes, a distinctive honeycomb structure, and a blade in high-gloss black, the RS Q8 Performance features matte gray clearly identifies the RS Q8 and the Performance version as the top models in the series. The large single-frame features a reinterpreted honeycomb structure where each individual honeycomb cell is now three-dimensional. The rear section also plays a part in advancing the model's position at the top of the range. The two oval tailpipes are the first distinguishing feature of an RS model. Audi Sport GmbH has placed a diffuser between them which is divided down the middle by a reflector. The new RS Q8 is guaranteed to impress with an output of 441 kilowatts, 600 PS, and 800 Nm of torque, which is available between 2,200 and 4,500 revolutions per minute. The output of the twin-turbocharged 8-cylinder engine makes for outstanding driving dynamics. The RS Q8 accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.8 seconds. The standard electronically limited top speed is 250 km per hour, which can be increased to 280 km per hour or a maximum of 305 km per hour is an option. Thanks to its increased output of 471 kilowatts, 640 PS, and 850 Nm of torque, the RS Q8 Performance goes from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.6 seconds. The advanced 8-cylinder engine boasts more output than the RS Q8 production model. Moreover, it is the most powerful series-produced combustion engine in Audi Sport GmbH's history. By reducing back pressure, the newly developed, lighter exhaust system increases the output of the RS Q8 Performance while creating a sportier, more evocative sound. Optionally, the exhaust system can be replaced with the RS Sport exhaust system, which further intensifies the sound experience and stands out with glossy black tailpipes. Both the new RS Q8 Performance and the RS Q8 embody sportiness and elegance. The top model of the Q8 series combines a passion for performance, prestige, and suitability for everyday use to create an exhilarating experience, says Rolf Mitchell, managing director of Audi Sport GmbH. Both versions of the new RS Q8 come as standard with permanent quattro all-wheel drive, which Audi Sport GmbH combines with an 8-speed Tiptronic with faster shifting times as standard. The wholly mechanical center differential, with its compact and lightweight design, distributes engine power to the front and rear axle at a ratio of 40-60. If slippage occurs, no more than 70% of the drive torque is applied to the front and up to 85% to the rear axle. This mode of operation results in more precise cornering, less understeer, and more exact turn-in. For an ideal balance of sportiness and comfort, the RS Q8 and RS Q8 Performance come as standard with adaptive air suspension sport with controlled damping, which has been tuned specifically for the RS. The ride height of both versions varies by up to 90 mm. As an option, both models offer electromechanical active roll stabilization (EAWS), which significantly minimizes lateral movements of the body. Both axles are connected by a compact electric motor between the two halves of the stabilizer. When the RS Q8 is driving straight, the two halves are disconnected, which reduces body movements on uneven roads. When the car corners, the electric motors turn the stabilizers in the opposite direction of each other, which noticeably reduces lateral tilt. A 48V lithium-ion battery supplies the EAWS with power. The compact, lightweight energy storage unit, which can absorb and release high currents in a very short time, supplies the two electric motors with a maximum power of 1.5 kilowatts each. The optional Dynamic Package Plus for the RS Q8 delivers even greater performance, giving the car a top speed of 305 km per hour. Additional components include electromechanical active roll stabilization, the Quattro Sport differential, and the RS ceramic braking system, which comes as standard on the RS Q8 Performance. The standard all-wheel steering with high-torque electric spindle drive contributes to agility and stability. When changing lanes quickly, the rear wheels turn up to 1.5 degrees in the opposite direction of the front wheels. At lower speeds, they turn up to 5 degrees in the opposite direction of the front wheels. This reduces the turning radius accordingly. The top model in the series also features new lighting technology. Like the product upgrade for the Q8, the most powerful model in the series now also uses matrix LED headlights. HD matrix LED headlights with Audi laser light is an additional high beam or optionally available. A darkened bezel distinguishes the top model visually from the base model. The Audi laser light acts as an extra high beam with a significantly greater range. Any of the 5 digital daytime running light signatures add a striking look. Customers can select the signatures via the MMI, one of which is a checkered flag design exclusively available to the RS Q8. For the first time, the RS Q8 uses largely digitalized OLED rear lights featuring 5 digital light signatures. In conjunction with the assistance systems, they have a proximity indication feature for greater road safety. Sporty from the wheels to the seams, equipment options. An extensive range of new paint finishes is available for the exterior, including 3 metallic options: Secure Gold, Ascari Blue, and Chili Red. In addition to the standard range, Audi Exclusive fulfills customer requests for individual finishes. The RS Q8 and RS Q8 Performance are distinguished primarily by the different standard colors and materials of many exterior components. While the exterior mirrors, front spoiler elements, and trim on the windows and rear diffuser always come in black on the RS Q8, the Performance version features matte gray exterior mirrors, front spoiler elements, and a matte gray rear diffuser, with all other equipment in high-gloss black. Audi Sport GmbH also offers an additional package for the RS Q8 Performance with all the standard RS Q8 features listed here in matte carbon or high-gloss black. New optional 23-inch light alloy wheels in a 6Y spoke design and 295/35 tires give the upgraded RS Q8 a distinctly different look from the series standard models. They are also optionally available in metallic black, matte neodymium gold, burnished silk matte gray, or burnished metallic black. Both top versions of the series come with 22-inch 10-spoke light alloy wheels 295/40. An RS braking system with ventilated composite brake discs 420 mm in the front, 370 mm in the rear is behind the wheels. The brake calipers come as standard in black. They are also available with an optional red finish and feature RS lettering in the front and rear. A powerful 10-piston brake caliper system works on the front axle. Alternatively, RS ceramic brakes provide deceleration. Available as an option on the RS Q8, they come as standard on the RS Q8 Performance. Their discs measure 440 mm front and 370 mm rear. The RS brake system comes in gray as standard in the RS Q8 Performance. It is optionally available in red or blue. As an exclusive option for the RS Q8 Performance, 23-inch light alloy wheels are available, which are manufactured using a high-tech forging and milling process. Inspired by motorsports, the 5Y spoke design ensures optimal brake cooling. They also reduce the unsprung mass by around 5 kg each compared to the standard 22-inch wheels. The total weight reduction of around 20 kg improves the car's throttle response. They are available in burnished metallic black, matte gray, or matte black. Customers may also choose the high-performance Pirelli P0295/35 R23 tires, which offer consistently better grip on wet and dry roads, making for more precise and dynamic handling. Red, gray, or blue RS design packages are available for the interior. The blue package is exclusive to the RS Q8 Performance. The blade in the center console, the floor mats, the steering wheel, and the seat belt edges feature red or gray contrasting stitching. The seat belts are entirely in ocean blue as a special feature of the Blue RS design package. The steering wheel is covered with Alcantara. The selector lever knob and the side of the blade in the center console are covered in Dynamica microfiber, which is made from recycled PET fibers. The perforated sports seats with honeycomb stitching also feature contrasting stitching in the chosen package color. Decorative inlays for both models are available in matte brushed aluminum with linear embossing in silver, aluminum race anthracite, matte carbon twill, or gray oak. As a further exclusive option, diagonal brushed black aluminum is available for the RS Q8 Performance. The RS Design Packages Plus, in 3 color choices, offer additional features on request. For example, the door and center armrests are available in Dynamica microfiber. One exclusive feature of this equipment variant is the seat center panel with gray, red, or blue inlay. The customer's chosen color is revealed through the perforated sports seats. Moreover, the seat backs feature an RS logo embossed in matching colors. Additional special features for the RS Q8 Performance, besides an entrance LED that projects the lettering, RS Performance, onto the ground, the 12.3-inch Audi Virtual Cockpit Plus features a shift light indicator in manual mode. It changes the RPM display from green to yellow to red, flashing in a manner identical to that used in motorsports to indicate the optimal time to change gears. Visible via symbols in the Audi Virtual Cockpit, launch control fully exploits the acceleration potential of the RS Q8 Performance. The RS Q8 Performance, record holder. The new RS Q8 Performance has been awarded the title of the fastest SUV on the Nürburgring's Nordschleife at its market launch. Racing and development driver Frank Stippler completed the 20.832 km track in the Eifel in just 7:36.698 minutes. That is more than 2 seconds faster than the previous fastest vehicle in the SUV class, off-road vehicles, vans, and pickups, and almost 6 seconds faster than the RS Q8 before the product upgrade. The increase in power to 471 kilowatts, 640 horsepower, and 850 newton-meters of torque, as well as the outstanding chassis components, consisting of the adaptive air suspension sport with controlled damping and RS-specific tuning, the electromechanical active roll stabilization (EAWS), the all-wheel steering and the Quattro Sport differential, were largely responsible for the lap time. The RS Q8 Performance owes its new lap record on the Nordschleife not only to the perfect interplay between the V8 engine and suspension components, but also to the passion of the Audi Sport GmbH team for absolute performance. It also offers first-class suitability for everyday use, says Rolf Mitchell, managing director of Audi Sport GmbH.